When we first met, I had no idea you would come to mean as much as you do now. I really didn't see you coming. But now, I can't imagine any version of myself without you. The truth is, every time we're together, life feels a little easier, even in the quiet moments.
I've waited 100 years. I'd wait a million more for you.
Kagabi nga, medyo naiiyak pa ako kasi pag naiisip ko na dati pinagdarasal ko lang ito eh. Tapos eto na, yung ikakasal na ako. Tapos yun pa, kay Allen.
Dear love, from the very beginning, something about it felt different. Dati, I was just searching for happiness, following the flow. Hans, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong klaseng love ang dapat kong ibigay. O kung ano ang dapat kong matanggap. Not until you came.
Pag nakita mo yung tao na parang, iba yung yung feelings mo sa tao na parang first time lang kayo nagkita, pero iba na yung kumakabog na yung dibdib mo.
Just being beside you feels like exactly where I'm meant to be. And I've realized that many of my favorite memories are simply the ones where you're right next to me.
Your love is my turning page, where only the sweetest words remain.
Love ko, this is your day, enjoy and relax. Feel every moment, kumain ka. See you later, I love you. Alice Pogi.
Another watch, another day.
She's a redefined friend.
I always say before, it took us almost 30 years bago tayo magkakilala. And can you imagine, nandito na tayo ngayon.
To who I've been, for who you are. Nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart. If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, then I would have known what I've been living for all along. What I've been living for.
Mama, thank you. Yung kahit mag-isa ka lang, nandiyan ka para sa amin. Naalalayan mo kami sa mga bagay-bagay. Mahal ka namin. Aalagaan kita hanggang pagtanda mo.
Napaka-generous kasi ng ano ko.
The we're tethered to the story.
Today, for always, I choose you. And will continue to choose you every day in this lifetime. And every lifetime to come.
With a whisper, we will tame the
I've realized na when I was in high school, actually, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga barkada ko, lagi kong banat is, ang kaya ko lang ibigay is, magandang lahi, pero hindi magandang buhay. Pero ngayon, I've realized na hindi lang pala magandang lahi yung kaya kong ibigay. I will also do my best to give you the best life na alam kong deserve mo.
Days that I long for, they go so slow, so slow. Moving in a light, holy.
Salamat kasi kasama mo kami. Sinama mo kami. Pero kaya gago pa.
Sweet love is all that I need.
Thank you guys. Again for kay Daddy.
Than the air that I
So very excited and very happy. Parang I cannot wait talaga to spend the rest of my life with her.
You came to my life like a sun rain. Soft and skin like it breathes so delicate. Love for the first time, or was it fate? Like a spark, shooting stars.
Paul, I never thought that one day, ikakasal ako. I never thought that one day na may isang ikaw na magbabago ng pananaw ko. lalo na sa faith ko kay God. But God sent you at nabago mo lahat.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, siya lang yung titignan ko. Pag naglalakad ako, wala na akong titignan, siya lang hanggang makarating ako sa altar.
You came to my life like a summer rain, soft to skin like a breeze, so delicate. Love for the first time, or was it fate? Like a spark, shooting stars, when again. Shooting stars, when again. Shooting stars, when again.
I promise to keep choosing us, our dreams, our future together at pangako. Ikaw lang. Ikaw pa rin hanggang dulo. I love you so much.
Run away like shooting stars, renegades. Let it all out, never fade. Run away like shooting stars, renegades. Let it all out, never fade. Run away like shooting stars, renegades.
So, love, at the end of the day, you are a good person. You don't have to be perfect by any means. Your intentions are good. Your heart is pure. And you love with everything that you have. And because of those things, you are worth it. You always have been. And you will always be. I love you.
Like a spark shooting stars. You came to my life like a summer rain, soft to skin like a breeze, so delicate.